If you're behind on taxes, the city is coming for your Detroit house, don't let them take it. I've helped dozens of homeowners in Brightmoor and East English Village avoid foreclosure, and I can help you too. You're staring at a $10,000 tax bill and wondering how you're going to pay it. You're not alone. I've seen it time and time again in neighborhoods like Corktown and 8 Mile. The stress is suffocating, the weight of owing the city money is crushing you. But here's what nobody tells you, the city doesn't care about your situation, they just want their money. You're already $10,000 behind, and the interest is piling up. You're facing fines, penalties, and even the possibility of losing your home. The thought of foreclosure is terrifying, and you don't know where to turn. You've tried to make payments, but it's just not working out. The city is breathing down your neck, sending you letters and notices, and you're starting to feel like you're running out of time. But I've been in your shoes, I've worked with homeowners in Dearborn, Inkster, and Redford, and I know how to help. I've discovered a way to help homeowners like you avoid foreclosure and get back on their feet. I buy houses in Detroit, and I can give you a fair price for your property, no matter the condition. You won't have to worry about realtor fees, closing costs, or repairs. I'll take care of everything, and I'll give you the cash you need to pay off your tax debt. But here's what nobody tells you, the city is only getting more aggressive with their tax collection. They're hiring more staff, and they're using new technology to track down delinquent taxpayers. I've helped a homeowner in East English Village sell her house for $47,000, and she used that money to pay off her tax debt. She was facing foreclosure, but I was able to step in and give her the cash she needed to avoid it. I've also worked with a homeowner in Brightmoor who owed $23,000 in back taxes. I bought his house for $31,000, and he was able to pay off his debt and start fresh. You can be next. I've helped dozens of homeowners in Detroit avoid foreclosure, and I can help you too. So what can you do? First, you need to stop ignoring the problem. You can't just stick your head in the sand and hope it goes away. Second, you need to explore your options. You can try to negotiate with the city, but that can be a long and difficult process. Third, you need to consider selling your house. That's where I come in. I can give you a fair price for your property, and I can close the deal quickly. You won't have to worry about realtor fees, closing costs, or repairs. I'll take care of everything. The foreclosure process is a nightmare. The city will sell your house at auction, and you'll be left with nothing. You'll lose your home, and you'll still owe the city money. But I can help you avoid all that. Call or text 313-800-9790 or go to nationbuyshouses.com, link in description. I'll give you a fair price for your house, and I'll help you pay off your tax debt. You can visit nationbuyshouses.com to learn more about my process, and you can call 313-800-9790 to speak with me directly. Don't let the city take your house. You have options, and I'm here to help. You can sell your house quickly and avoid foreclosure. You can pay off your tax debt and start fresh. But you have to act now. The city is not going to wait for you, and neither should you. Call or text 313-800-9790 or go to nationbuyshouses.com. I'll help you get the cash you need to pay off your tax debt, and I'll help you avoid foreclosure. You can trust me, I've helped dozens of homeowners in Detroit, and I can help you too. Visit nationbuyshouses.com to learn more, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more information on how to sell your house quickly in Detroit. In my next video, I'll be talking about how to navigate the complexities of probate sales in Detroit. Stay tuned.